As you start working for the district, it's a great idea to change the profile picture in your Office 365 account to match you so that people can put a name with the face. It's very simple to do. Before you get started actually inserting the picture, you have to make sure that you have an image saved to your computer somewhere so you can access it when you're going through this process. Once that picture is saved, log into your Office 365 account. In the upper right hand corner, there's a little silhouette profile, or it may have your initials. Click on it. If you hover over the silhouette or the initials, you'll see a little camera, so you click to change it. Now you're going to have an option where it says upload a new photo in this pop-up that showed up. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to browse to wherever I saved my picture, select it. I can adjust it if I need to, move it back and forth, or zoom it in and out. And when I'm happy, I click on apply and done, and now my profile picture has changed.